A study in Singapore has found babies born to mothers infected with COVID-19 have virus antibodies. Preliminary findings of this study, conducted by a new research network, also found no evidence of virus transmission from mother to baby. Isabel Lim with more.
Happy and healthy. It's what every mother wishes for her unborn child. But for Noshila Zainal, that hope dimmed late into the second trimester of her pregnancy. She had tested positive for COVID-19.
I was very anxious, fear, helplessness, don't know what's going to happen next. I was worried about my 9 months baby. He was also admitted. Then that point of time I was pregnant 25 or 26 weeks. The journey is not so good for me because that time also I had I felt so fatigued.
After 23 days, she was cleared of COVID-19. Less than 3 months later, she gave birth to a baby girl who was found to have antibodies for the virus. Noshila is one of 16 women in a study tracking pregnant women with the coronavirus. 5 have given birth so far, with antibodies in both mother and child. Their antibody levels varied according to the amount of time from when they were infected to when they gave birth. Those infected in the first trimester displayed lower levels of antibodies by the time they delivered the child, compared to those infected in the third trimester. Researchers say the data still needs to be studied carefully.
We don't know whether they are predominantly one type of antibody which confers more long-term immunity, or whether they're antibodies reflective of the baby having been infected. We will know when we further analyze the samples, and we're waiting to look at that data over the next year.
The study will continue to track the babies at the 6 and 12-month marks. It will also incorporate findings from 9 women who had yet to give birth when it was published. The study is the first by a new research network which focuses on obstetrics and gynecology. It involves 3 hospitals: KK Women's and Children's Hospital, Singapore General Hospital, and the National University Hospital. They represent more than half the total number of deliveries in Singapore.
This will allow us to recruit more patients from different sites that otherwise will be difficult to do and not possible to do within a short period of time.
The research network has already begun studies into other conditions pregnant women face. These include high blood pressure and precancerous conditions of the uterus.